Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. The last class we have learned about food, spoilage of food. Today we are going to learn about causes. What are the causes of food? Once the food items are harvested, they begin to decompose. Food can be spoiled by factors like air and oxygen, moisture, enzymes, microorganism, light and temperature. So these are the factors spoiled by food. So let us see one by one, children. First one, air and oxygen. When oxygen react with food content, it produces changes in the color and the flavor of the food. See the picture, children. Banana is there. If you open and cut means it will become black in color. Correct. So when oxygen, so in surroundings oxygen is present. So banana is react with oxygen, so it get spoiled. So air and oxygen are the causes of food. The next one is moisture. Moisture keeps the food fresh. When the moisture is gone, vegetables and fruits shrink. Due to evaporation, moisture loss occurs in food like meat, fish and cheese. The next one, enzymes. Enzymes break down the tissues and components of the food in different ways like oxidation, browning and ripening. So the food items decay. The next one is microorganism. Microorganism means it's like fungi, yeast and bacteria can grow well in low temperatures. So they multiply in food and spoil the food. Then light. Light produce color changes and also vitamin loss. So light also one of the causes of food. The next one, temperature. Sometimes rise in temperature causes food spoilage. So these are the causes of food. Then next chapter is effects. Spoiled food are not suitable to eat, isn't it? So they may not be fresh and tasty. Sometimes it will be harmful to consume them. Microorganisms present in spoiled food may cause foodborne diseases. So like stomach pain, fever, dysentery, vomiting and indigestion. So the children, spoiled food are not suitable to eat. So these are the effects while we're taking the spoiled food means we will get stomach pain, fever, dysentery, vomiting and indigestion. Okay, so what are the preservation of food? What are the steps we can take? What is preservation of food? The process of keeping the food material for a long time without getting spoiled is called preservation of food. Food will be spoiled if it is not prepared, preserved and handled in the right way. There are many methods used to prevent, delay and reduce the spoilage of food. Now let's see what are the preservation methods. First one, food preservation methods. Cultivation of food requires lot of efforts. Nowadays, food cultivation and the crop yield are decreasing. There are many people suffering in the world without food. So we need to protect and preserve the food. See children, the following are the ways to preserve the food. First way, drying. It is the removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. For example, grains. Next method, addition of salt. When salt is added to food, it removes the water from the food. The examples, fish, pickles. The next method, addition of sugar. When sugar is added to food, it dissolves in the water content of the food and preserve the food items from spoilage. Examples, jam, fruit juices. The next food preservation method is freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Examples, fruits, vegetables. Next method is boiling. Boiling kills the microorganism, prevent in the food materials. Examples, milk, water. Next, canning and bottling. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so that the germs do not grow on them. Examples, milk powder. So these are the methods of food preservation. Then some more addition of chemical preservatives. Let us see children's. Chemical preservatives are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. For examples, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. Already we know that vinegar is added with pickles. So these are the chemical preservatives are added to stop growth the microorganism in certain food materials. So these are the steps for the food preservation method. You understand children? Learn children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.